Hey guys, one more package for unboxing. This is a couple of additional MOSFET upgrades for my 3D printer. I have an Anet A8 printer. So if you want to, for example, print ABS or raise the temperature of the bed or extruder, you will need this kind of upgrade because it will prevent your printer from burning its MOSFETs. So let's see. I bought two, so I have a spare one. One will be installed on the printer and the other one I'll just leave it. So let's see. Okay. So you connect these two to your power supply and these two to your hotbed. So you have two different MOSFETs for each one of the hot ends. And you connect this to your mainboard, I guess. Yep, control. Okay guys, this is quite a simple thing, so thank you for watching. Bye!